Coffee shop crush, just my luck. You're the song I can't get enough. Every sip, every glance feels like we were meant by chance. Coffee shop crush, hearts collide. Rain outside and stars inside. Didn't know you changed my life at the corner of 9th and 5th tonight. A week went by, I saw your face on campus, walking past the gate in NYU sweatshirt, coffee cup, yeah, same one you had that day. You laughed and said, hey, small world, now it's you and me in line again. Maybe fate's got better plans than we understand. Something in the way you smile makes the world slow down a while. Didn't think I'd fall this fast, but I'm glad I had. Coffee shop crush, just my luck. You're the song I can't get enough. Every sip, every glance feels like we were meant by chance. Coffee shop crush, hearts collide. Rain outside and stars inside. Didn't know you changed my life at the corner of 9th and 5th tonight. Maybe love's just caffeine and fate stirred together while we wait in this city that never sleeps. You're the dream I get to keep. Coffee shop crush, just my luck. Now your hand fits like a glove. Every sip, every glance still feels like our first chance. Coffee shop crush, you and I, NYC lights in your eyes. Didn't know you'd change my life, but you did that night. Just a coffee shop crush that turned into love. Just a coffee shop crush that turned into love.